So today I'm gonna be replacing this unit right here. It's called the Mcdu, and this is how you remove it. Then you pull it out. These connectors over here already plugged. All right, here's the new one. That one's gonna go there, and then these connectors gonna go right over here. Easy, and then we do the object. So let's do the installation. All right, the connectors are already plugged in. So I'm just gonna see if it works now. So hold on. All right, first before the MCDU turns on, I have to remove these collar right here from the circuit breaker. MCDU 1. So I'm gonna remove this and then push it in. And then this should come out. Bam! So now we're gonna do the off check.